LOCS College online courses. Today we are going to learn how to use the passive voice. You know, active voice sentences can be converted into passive voice. Under active voice, you find some active voice sentences, and under passive voice, you can find passive voice sentences. Now you can see the screen, active voice and passive voice. I eat rice. In passive voice, rice is eaten by me. I ate rice. Rice was eaten by me. I will eat rice. Rice will be eaten by me. You can see the changes. Rice is eaten by me. I eat rice. Rice is eaten by me. In active voice, you find I subject, eat verb, rice object. When you come to the passive voice, rice becomes the subject. I ate rice. Rice was eaten by me. I will eat rice. Rice will be eaten by me. You can see the first one is simple present. The second one is simple past. The third one is simple future. Accordingly, be verb changes. Rice is, rice was, rice will be. But the past participle eaten doesn't change. You can see that change. We have some other examples. He plays cricket. Cricket is played by him. He played cricket. Cricket was played by him. He will play cricket. Cricket will be played by him. In both these categories, you find the first one is simple present. The second one is simple past. The third one is simple future. Here, the distinction is only the be verb changes according to the tense. Is, was, will be, but past participle eaten doesn't change. You have both categories. Regular verbs, here you find play is a regular verb, played, will play. Now they are regular verbs. When you come to the first category, eat, that's an irregular verb. Now you can see the regular verbs here. Present, past, past participle. Stop, stopped, stopped. Repair, repaired, repaired. Play, played, played. Wash, washed, washed. By adding ed to the present tense, stop becomes stopped. And here past participle. Now, when you come to this category once again, you can see he plays cricket. There, play is a regular verb. Past participle is played. It doesn't change. It remains unchanged. Whereas the be verbs change, is, was, will be. You have to keep this mind, please. And now we are coming to the pronouns. Here the pronouns are very important. You can see the subject pronoun. I, he, she, it, we, you, they, subject pronouns. Object pronouns, me, him, her, it, us, you, them. In passive voice sentences, we very often use cricket is played by him, cricket was played by him, cricket will be played by him. You can see the subject pronoun he, it becomes him. When you come to the next category, I eat rice, rice is eaten by me. You can see I changes into the subject pronoun. I changes into the object pronoun me. I think you have realized you have to learn by heart the object pronouns of the subject pronouns. And also these tenses are very important. You can see present tense, be verb singular, I'm, he is, she is, it is. After that, you can use the present participle. I'm sorry, past participle. We are, they are, they are, they are. It's followed by past participle. We are, then past participle comes. I'm, he, she is, it is, then past participle comes. As you learned earlier, these are the past participles: written, eaten, drunken, taken, cut. There's a big list. You have to learn it by heart, please. And also we have regular verbs. You have regular verbs. Here you have irregular verbs. You have to learn both. And you know the structure: subject, be verb, then past participle, by, me, by, him. This is the example. Cricket is played by him. This is the structure: cricket, subject, then be verb is past participle by him. Try to learn this structure. Cricket is played by him. Cricket was played by him. Cricket will be played by him. When we come to the category 1, rice is eaten by me. Rice was eaten by me. Rice will be eaten by me. I think you now understand the distinction between active voice and passive voice. We are now coming to the past tense. I was, he was, she was, it was. Be verbs, plural, we were, they were, they were. I was is followed by the past participle. I was advised by him. He was beaten by the teacher. She was appreciated by the principal. It was done by father. We were taken to Colombo. They were transferred to Monaragala. They were promoted. They were advised. You can see. This is our last category. When we write passive voice sentences in future tense, these are the changes you can observe. Be verb singular, be verbs plural. We have only will be there. In addition to this, we also use shall be with the pronouns I and we. I will be admitted to a leading school in Colombo. You can see the passive voice sentence. He will be appreciated by the teacher. She will be advised by the class teacher. It will be done by father. Yes, you know the structure. When you come to the plural forms, we will be past participle, they will be past participle, they will be past participle, they will be past participle. Here, they means the plural form of he, she, it. We is the plural form of I. I think so far we have discussed the distinction between the active voice and passive voice. You have to concentrate on the pronouns, subject pronouns, I, he, she, it, we, you, they. In the passive voice sentences, they become the subject pronouns I, me, he, him, she, her, it, we, us, you, they, them. Next week too, we can meet with another passive voice lesson, continuous tense, present continuous, past continuous, and future continuous. Thank you very much. Good luck and goodbye.